Hello friends, in this video I will tell you that how to crop a photo into circle. First, download and install Gimp. Gimp is a free photo editor. After installing, open it. Open Gimp and click on File and then click on Open. Shortcut key is Ctrl+O and select an image you want to crop into circle. Double click and import it. First click on layer and then click on transparency and click on add alpha channel. After adding alpha channel, click on this select tool and select area you want to crop into circle. Click and drag. After selection, click on select option and click on invert. Short key is Ctrl+I and then click on edit. Click on clear. Yes. And now we click on image and click on zealous crop. Yes, our photo is ready. Click on file and export as. Choose a name and it is format JPG to PNG. Select an folder and click to export. Again export. Click on files. Yes, this is our pic. Gimp is a free photo editor software. For downloading, link is available in video description. I hope you like this video. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Goodbye.